In this video, I'll walk you through how to download YouTube comments from a YouTube video without needing to write any Python script or any code or even using YouTube Data API. So there are 4 methods to download YouTube comments. I'll walk you through each method one by one. So method number 1 is using an Agentic AI browser. So I'm currently using Comet, which is by Perplexity. So open any of the video that you want to extract or download comments from. Open the assistant that comes in with the browser. You can use ChatGPT's browser or Ahrefs browser, anything that has agentic capabilities. Now I have this assistant open up. This is Comet Perplexity. I can ask go and extract all comments and put them in CSV. So this is method number 1. It will spun an AI agent and it will go and read all the comments. So this video has 842 comments. Let the AI agent work and we'll see how this fares. So I have extracted visible comments from page content, saved them into a CSV file. A CSV name with 61 rows column. Where is that file? Okay, so this is the file. We can click on this. We can just click on download as CSV. And this is your comments. Let me open that. So all the comments are here. It extracted only 61. The problem that it did not extract all the comment is because YouTube behaves as if I am browsing the YouTube browser, and it only goes up until how long you can scroll. So if you look, if I scroll down, there's no comment. It loads. The agentic browser does not know how to load those comments, and it only extracted 61. Plus the scraping is very minimal. If you look, we have content starts here. There's no reply thread or any other information. So this is method number 1, which is free, and all you need is an Agentic AI browser. The next method is using a Chrome extension. So on the Chrome web store, search for YouTube comment scraper tube harvest. Once you install this Chrome extension, open the YouTube video. We'll do the extraction in the same video. MCP clearly explained this video. Click on this extension. So now I'm actually on the paid plan of this Chrome extension. It has a free version that allows limited number of scraping. You can set up number of comments you want to extract, and then it also extract the reply depth, in the sense, if you look at the comments, there are 10 replies to it. So it will extract all those 10 replies as well. The other scrapers that is available in the market, they will only extract the top level comment, not the reply depth. Let me extract it and then show you the CSV that comes out with this. Click on extract comments, and it will behave as if it is browsing the tab and trying to load all the comments that failed using the agentic browser setup. It will open everything and then kind of scrape the comments and save it in an organized manner. So our comment is downloaded, and if we open the CSV file, this is the level of scraping that is done by this Chrome extension. So we have the video and then the exact comment. So this is the comment, and then these are the reply threads. So if you can look, author 1, these authors are anonymized. If you want, you can actually hold and extract all the author name as well. See, all the comments, around 800 is kind of extracted, and it has all the information that you want to extract. Now let us move to method number 3. So this works great if you want to extract comments of a video one by one, and you have to stay active on the tab, because how the scraper works is it behaves as if it's browsing that YouTube video. What if you want something which is working on the back end while you do other stuff? So for this, there's another plan from Tube Alfred's comment scraper, which is the cloud plan. So once you sign into the Tube Alfred's plan, this is where you come, go to Tube Harvest and video, and over here you can just add any YouTube URL. So imagine I want this video comment to be extracted. There's 183. Just paste it. Click on quick Q scrape. It will scrape. It will go and start scraping. In the meantime, I want to kind of extract video comments from this Alex Hermos's video, which has 1.1 million views and 1000 comments. So I'll just copy it, go back, and then paste this video, and the first video is already extracted. So kind of, you can just paste the video and it extracts. Also, it not only supports video extraction in the backend, but if you go to channels and paste any YouTube channel. So this is a YouTube video. Let me paste Alex Hermos's channel maybe. So it's creating a workspace so that it can create or batch extract videos, comment from that. Prepared 11 seconds ago. So go to channels. You'll have this hrefs.com and Alex Hermoses that we just clicked on it. Click on this workspace and it has 498 videos. And all the videos are listed here, all the video titles. All you have to do is check the check boxes and then kind of, just click on Q4 videos and the comments will be extracted in the backend without you needing to set up YouTube API or any Python coding or any script. And if you want to access all your comments, go to exports here, and then all the videos that we scraped is available. You can go ahead and download the CSV. Isn't that as fun? But wait until you hear the fourth method of extracting YouTube comments or downloading YouTube comments. I love this method. So what I did is I connected Tube Alfred's MCP server to my Cloud Code, and any video research or the comments I want to scrape or download, I use the MCP server. So let me show you how that works. So imagine that I want to create a video for this Etsy listing tutorial. So I want to create a tutorial for Etsy people, and this is the video inspiration that I have. So what I can do is copy this YouTube URL. So open Cloud and type in I want to create a YouTube. I'll paste the YouTube URL, analyze the transcript, what it talked about, and then scrape the comments that it got and give me a content gap analysis of how the viewers felt. That's it. I'll hit enter, and I have connected the Tube Alfred's MCP to my cloud. You can do that with ChatGPT as well, and all the research or all the heavy work will be done by Tube Alfred's MCP. So if you could look, I'll start by fetching the YouTube details, transcript and comments. Let me load YouTube tool first. Use YouTube data fetch API, which is Tube Alfred's MCP. I'll click on always allow, and we'll just wait for a second. And now let me fetch all the comments. So it's actually going in and fetching all the comments. So it has all the data points now. We can just go in and check what is happening. So Cloud gave us all the content gap analysis on an HTML file. But again, we can read the synopsis here. The video is 33 minutes. Canva walkthrough for creating 6 Etsy listing images. So it read the transcript, analyzed all the comments, and this is what it has. The biggest content gaps you can exploit: the Canva Etsy bridge, gray rectangle was never explained, no design placement, Tumblr only, love it guarantee concern, Etsy algorithm changes in 2023. So this is what it analyzed. We can go ahead and ask questions like what was the most liked comment in the video, and which was more replied to, or anything. So let us see. It will fetch the comment that will give us. So the most liked comment was Jeffrey Johnson's with 89 likes. Great job, Stephen. I have been implementing all your ideas. My store is 1 month old. I'm at 5.9% conversion rate of today. Thank you for helping me start my business. So that's all the 4 methods. Use whichever method suits you. And if you want more tools, insights into YouTube, just subscribe to our newsletter and our YouTube channel. See you in the next video.